Production.
Thanks, Johnny.
Mimi, what it do? Mimi, it was good.
The fuck is up?
Look.
I'm trying to do something right now. You can't fucking tell.
Just look real quick. I want to show everybody how sexy you are. Yeah. Just show everybody. He's with that.
You just gave us ill skimpers, and I've been waiting for fucking all day.
I apologize. Look at the baby.
What? How to sign up for yourself?
I kind of get it. Hi.
What's wrong?
I don't know, Giant. Yeah. You make one annoying ass paparazzi person. If you were ever paparazzi, I'd be like, I'll kill you. No, you keep putting that light in my eye. You will get backhanded.
I fucking dare you to, you fucking bitch.
When I do it, you ain't gonna do nothing about it.
You ain't gonna fucking, yeah, nigga, fuck you, I will.
I'm gonna give you 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir. I'm up in it like, and I'm physically fine, but my flow sick. Yosemite Sam, 2 hostess, 2 pistols, can't be too cautious. Yes, human crack, young Carter. I perform better in hot water. Yeah, in my whip game, straight on a bad day, I could turn a 2 into a 8. And when I smile, it look like a bag of